Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to make this. A Lego balisong knife. You can easily open it like this, and you can close it up like this. Just like that. And I will be showing you how you can make this, and I'm not going to, and sadly I'm not going to be able to show you how to do any tricks with it, because I have no idea how to slow motion something to point out the details. So I'll just show you how you can make this. Alright. So I'm going to quickly pause the video, and I'm going to take this apart so that I can rebuild it for you. Christ, these are hard to get out. Okay, I'm just going to pause the recording, and I'll unplug all of this so that you don't have to wait. Alright, so you're going to need 2 of these teas, and also sorry for those little pieces inside of them. I can't seem to get that apart. So yeah, you'll need these amounts of teas, and you're going to need 6 of these pieces, like the grey pegs that are like a whole Technic that side and about half of one on this side. Then you're going to want 2 of these longer ones, and you can use 3 of these in any colour that you want. It doesn't really matter. And also, if you want to know how many holes are in it, there, I think 15. I'm gonna quickly check. Yeah, it's 15. There's 15 in each of these, so that will give you a bit of a hint. And now let's get to the tutorial. Alright, so you're going to want to put the little pegs that you have in each corner of the T. One in this corner, one in that corner, then one in the top. And then you do the same with this one. And then you're going to want to get the 2 pegs and get them both on the one side. Grab one of the T's, only one of them, and put the pegs in like this. You don't want to put the long side in, otherwise it's going to go fully, it'll go fully through like that, and you don't want that to happen, so that's why you put the one side in. Alright, if you've done that, good, you're almost done. Then you get the one that you choose for your blade, and you get the 2 little holes in it at the bottom, and you put them like this on the little pegs like that. Well, actually on the long pegs you put them on. Then you get your handle ones, and you put them on these little short ones on the side of where the blade is. Just like that. Then you get your other T, and you put it on. Hold up, that just came off. Alright, let's fix that. Alright. And then you just gotta put that tea on the other side, I think I might stop touching the handles so that they won't fall off. Alright, and then you just get the tea and just push it in, and then you've made a Lego balisong, and you can do some cool tricks with it, like this one. And if you want to make it look, I'm not gonna bring that up. It'll just make the video way too long, and I don't want the video to be so long. So this is the knife. Yeah. I honestly have no idea what to do now because this video is way too short. But I'm afraid we might have to end it there. Oh, and also, the knife will look like this when it's closed. It'll have the T's like that. It'll look like that there's a flame with a black center coming off of it if you choose the same colours that I chose. And once it's opened, it looks like it's just a piece of cheese with a fork sticking out of it. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Alright. Alright, I'll see you next week, I guess, because that's when I post a new video every week. Once a week. Once I start getting more successful, I might start doing 2 a week. Alright, bye guys!